lights. We had a couple blowouts yesterday. Mr. Jim on his way back. These two new tires. And it blew out these trailer lights yesterday, and I need to get them changed. You going in there? You good? What's up, my guy? We meet again, my dude.
You hauling again?
No, Mikey just needed my driver. He had some blowouts yesterday on his trailer coming back, and he don't work Thursdays and Fridays, so I came down here and delivered. He's an old retired man.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, isn't it? See that squirrel up there, guys? Playing with fate. I don't trust people, guys, and neither should y'all. I have got to get that DOT striping on this trailer today. Come on, girl. hoping that wasn't tires screeching. I don't know what I'm doing, Dad. Teach me and I'll help on the next one.
What's that?
I said, I don't know what the f that is. That's sick.
Oh.
Does it pick it up in the corners?
Yeah.
No
It's got hooks on top of it.
Oh, okay. Hope that goes there. Okay. Oh, f***ing A, Bob. That's slick, son.
Dude, these guys,
So,
these guys, they do good work.
maybe I'm f***ing dumb. You gotta lift straight up.
Flip it over.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
My chain. I had to get the bucket off there, and they didn't have a lifting deal, so I had to go buy a 3/4 inch 100 grade chain.
Oh my God. On a 470, old son.
She'll pick them up now. She wouldn't at first. It would, just barely. Well, actually, it wouldn't at all. So.
You want me to back up after you grab this one?
Yeah.
Back up just a little bit. Okay. Hey. Hold on here. You want me to grab hold? Let me hold. Flip them over, and then you go like so, and turn them.
That way they can't come on.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay. Like so. Flip this dude over, turn him around. Okay. Dude, she's running really good. That load gauge is jumping just a little bit, I noticed on the way down here. I didn't have the tractor tag down, like the air suspension. I'm wondering if one of these bags or something.
I bet you're fine. As long as you're not over.
I was 85,000 pounds is what he was. Here she goes. Unloaded, boys. Trailer. Bingo! We at the yard. I gotta do some taillight stuff to this truck. I'll walk you back there and show you guys what I gotta do, but I'm kinda bummed out that I didn't get the university stuff, but man, what a day. What a little trip that was for sure. Got all my straps tied up in there. This looks good. I've got to get this thing reboarded. I'm missing a little board right there. Had to get 2 new trailer tires up in Kansas yesterday. Still got the titties on them, come on. Put the rougher looking ones back here. They don't see as much use. Here lately, they've been seeing a bunch of use. Fixed some valve stems, as you can see. Some leaky valve stems. We almost got a whole new axle right here. We're gonna get this one replaced to match them. That one's the next one. Letting the old truck cool down. She did me good today. She did me good today. Gotta get those tail lights fixed back there. All my lights are looking good though. Checked in this morning.